Hey, Kathleen here. I am reviewing the Cuisinart air fryer. This comes with convection oven, baking, broiling, toaster, and there's a version with the grill option as well. We use this multiple times a week. We're usually mainly using it for baking. We use this tray and put oil on it, a little bit of oil, and we bake on here. We convection bake. We also put pizzas in here, right on here. Sometimes I'll put foil underneath, but if the bottom gets dirty, it's very easy to remove this and clean this, which it looks like I need to do. I do definitely recommend that because if oil drips down there, it could, catch fire. So we have absolutely loved this. There's a basket for air frying as well. And this has just solved so much of our problems, as we've reduced our number in the household, that sometimes it just doesn't make sense to put on the whole oven. And because you can bake, toast, convection oven, broil, and like I said, the newer version even has the grilling option, this is like a game changer.